Okay, hello again for another challenge. So this one, we are now at the level 2 for SOC Analyst Tier 1 challenges. And this one is Lepsion Lab. Yeah, so as you see here, this is an OSINT lab. Category is Threat Intel, so we'll be using these tools to complete the challenge. So again, we're not violating any policy here from CyberDefenders. This is a retired challenge, so just to impart, yeah, I'm doing this to help others aspiring SOC analysts. Yeah, and as I said in my previous videos, the more you when you aspire or to teach as well or to share knowledge, you're the one who benefit as well because you get to hone your skills and refresh some concepts, and of course remain sharp at your field, which is my field as well. All right. So okay, we need to download this file and unzip it. Okay, question 1. File github.txt. What API key did the insider add to his GitHub repository? So we've already opened the GitHub profile. So we're asked what is the API key. So can we see any API key here? What is the API key? Add to his GitHub repository. So this is the repositories tab. Mimikatz, Bloodhound. Okay. Let's see if we could find any key. No keyword. API. Oh, of course, rapid is not. It's not that one. Okay, let's try some hints here. Project build custom login page. Oh, okay. Let's see here. So we have a hint that API key is possibly hard-coded in this login page.js. Okay, so found it. It's in the very first line. So this is the API key. As you can see, we are using just OSINT and yeah, the open internet. Submit. And that's it. Okay, number 2, file github.txt. What plain text password did the insider add to his GitHub repositories? So again, most likely this is still suspect. Let's go back to the login page.js. Okay. So this is the API key, right? So let's see if there's anything suspicious looking, suspicious password looking string here. Okay, password is required. Valid username is required. Username is this one. Password is required. Okay. So I think this is pretty obvious as a password field, and it's base64. So we can decode it using CyberChef. So it should be a simple operation. So this one, CyberChef is a very powerful online tool, a Swiss army for all decoding and coding tasks. So basically, just put the input string here and drag a recipe. Depending on encoding. So this one, since we know it's base64, so we'll just drag the recipe from base64 here, and voila. This is the default string, or the decoded string, so to speak. So this is the one we're looking for. There you go. Alright, the third one, file github.txt. So again, it's leading us to the to the GitHub profile. Let's go back. Mhm. This one. So what does it say? What cryptocurrency mining tool did the insider use? Aha, so is there any lead? PowerShell, Metasploit framework. Is there anything here that refers to cryptocurrency? Um, GitHub, Empire, and the security, Bloodhound, Exploitify. Alright, this one, crypto. This is quite a lead. XMRig. So let's see here what possible. Is it XMRig? XMRig. Yes, it's the mining tool. Right, so that's easy. Okay, number 4 is an interesting question. So this one, on which gaming website did the insider have an account? So this one, remember the tools that we are going to use. So Google image search, Sherlock. So if you're curious what this is, what tool this is, so yeah. Uh, Maybe not that one. So Sherlock. So this one, it's actually an OSINT tool. Helps you, of course, do OSINT analysis, open source intel regarding usernames across social networks. So a very useful tool. In this case, since we already have the, if you recall, the GitHub link. Where is that? We have the user, right? This one. So we can use this as a parameter. I've had. You can install Sherlock on your Linux machine. It has procedures here. Oh, sorry, not this one. Where is that? This one. You could install that using these commands. Since I'm using Ubuntu, I use apt install Sherlock. That did the trick. And to use it is very simple. You can type Sherlock and to get the syntax rather. So it's just needs an argument of username. So like I mentioned, we can use the given username, which is, what is it again? We could copy this one, Control C, and feed it to this one, Sherlock, feed the username, paste, and enter. Okay, that's unfortunate. Maybe we'll need to find another way. Why is it? Ooh. I'm already root, by the way, but yeah, I think I need to use another tool. Okay, hang on. Okay, yeah, I kinda did some troubleshooting in the back end, so I just save you the time or the pain of watching me troubleshoot Sherlock. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to make it work despite multiple troubleshooting. Still encountering some errors here. So what I did is I searched for an alternative, and fortunately we found one, which is migrate. So it does the same functionality of doing search on social network for the same username. So this is just same syntax as well. So migrate, and it will scour all the social media gaming sites. As you can see here, it found a lot with the same username, and eventually, as we can see here, the answer only has five characters, which leads us to believe that the answer we're looking for is this one, Steam. So let's try. Alright, that does it. Okay, so number five, what what is the link to the insider Instagram profile? Alright, so let's just reuse the username string here, and we'll do a quick Google search. Let's see here. Instagram. So just need a little bit of, yeah, Google Kung Fu, Google search Kung Fu. And what do you know? This is the same profile, right? In the picture, I mean profile picture in the GitHub. So most likely, this is what we're looking for. Instagram profile link. If not, maybe we'll just need to fix some. Okay, where is it? Emarcel. Okay, I'm afraid I need to use some hints. Yeah, so I think basically what it will give us the same result, but let's try that. Yeah, this is the same link, most likely. Insider. So again, let's. Ha ha ha. The insider Instagram profile. Insider Instagram profile. This is most likely the answer, but yeah, maybe. Yeah, there should be any not. Let's try this one. Okay, maybe we'll follow the format. There you go. Yeah, you just need to pattern it after um, the pattern shown here for the answer. So we're just lacking the forward slash at the end. All right. All right. So next question: which country did the insider visit on her holiday? Okay. Okay. So this seems like a famous landmark. So maybe this one. Let's try this one. Inspect. Maybe we could do an inspect. This one. It's not giving me anything. Or maybe what we can do here, print screen. Yeah, can use this, and that we can do image search here in Google. Could actually search by image. Okay, I'm pasting the screenshot. Alright, and as you can see here, we already got some clues. The first picture is resolving as a place from Singapore, right? So that's how powerful Google image search is. Okay, so let's try Singapore. There you go. Alright, next one. Which city does the insider family live in? So again, we can get clues from the Instagram picture. So most probably this one seems like a residence of the attacker. So let's try. Okay, maybe let's try the other picture. This one. Okay. Does this look familiar? Hmm. Yeah, I think this is better. Okay, let's try that again. Alright, it is clearer, and as you can see here, we got a better resolution, and so this is resolving to Dubai. So I believe that's the answer we're looking for. This one. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay, for the next one, we are asked to check the other file, office.jpg. So this one. Okay. Hippodome Theater. Interesting. Which city is the company located in? Okay, should be which country? Okay, should be easy, right? So again, let's use Google image search for this one. Um, so again, I'm pasting the image here. Okay, not this walkthrough. Street railway station. So Birmingham. So again, we got a lead. Birmingham. Birmingham. What country? And yeah, we got here an answer. United Kingdom. Oh, sorry. Which city is the company? Birmingham. Which city? What country and city? So we are being asked. Okay. Which city is the company located in? So I believe, yeah, I think that's the answer. Birmingham. Because Birmingham is not here. So yeah. Birmingham. Okay, there you go. Alright, lastly, uh, we're asked to check the webcam.png file. So with the intel you have been provided, our ground surveillance unit is now overlooking the person of interest. Okay, see them leaving. So we're being asked which state is this camera in. Again, let's review that image. And we're going to use Google image search. Okay. Alright. University of Notre Dame. Okay. Which state? University of Notre Dame. Okay, so again, we had our lead already. University of Notre Dame. So, which city? Indiana. Okay, let's state. All right, congratulations. So, hope you had fun and learned something. Until the next challenge.